Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to join multiple videos together in a single video using AV mutable composition for a native macOS app with Swift. I am using AppKit, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. So firstly I have this application open, and here you can see that I can just click on pick video. It will open the video picker for us. I'll select this particular video and I'll click on open. Now I can again click on pick video and I'll select another video. I'll click on open. Now if I click on merge video, it will merge those two videos together and start playing it. So as you can see, the total video length is 30 seconds because each video was 15 seconds long, the videos which I have picked. Also, if I want, I can just save this video as well. If I click on save video, it says okay, I will allow it. And if you see over here, as you can see, the file was saved. I'll just delete it for now. So yeah, that's how we can do. Let's get started on how to do this. Okay, let me just check. Yeah, okay. So firstly I have created a macOS application, and you will have to go to sign in and capabilities. Inside user selected file, this should be read only. For downloads folders, this should be read/write. Then go to view controller. Here I have imported AV kit. I have created an AV player. I have created 3 buttons: play, save and merge. I have created one variable for final URL, and I have created an array of URLs as well. Then here we are initializing our AV player view and adding it to our view. Here we are initializing our NS button, and I have also added one click listener to it. Same for save button and merge button as well, and I have added click listeners for that as well. Then I am just doing NS layout constraints for all of our views. Then once I'll come back to this two method later on. Once play video is called, I mean it should be named as pick video, but anyways fine. Here we are filtering by videos, and if you want you can keep multiple selection as true as well. In this case I think that's fine, but anytime I get a URL I just append it to our array. Okay, next for once merge button is pressed, so here we just call this join videos method, and it gives you the updated URL. And once we have that updated URL of the videos merge, we start playing it inside our AV player and show it to the user. And for save video, I'll come back to this join videos method in a bit. And for saving videos, we just check if we have the downloads directory. If yes, if final URL is not equal to nil, yes, then we create a destination URL with the last path component of our final URL. If file does not exist, we return back early. If file already exists over here at destination URL, then we remove it, and then we move file from destination URL to destination URL from final URL, which is basically like saving file to downloads directory. Now coming back to the join videos code, here we are creating our AV mutable composition, then a file manager as well. Then here I have created our current duration. Then we create video composition track, audio composition track, then we loop over it. Then we create an AV asset as well. Then here we load the tracks using the asset video track. Then we load audio as well using the asset audio track. Then we get the duration of the entire video. So if you see over here, I have set the current duration as 0. Now for the first video, once we get the entire video, then we update the current duration to whatever is the length of the first video. Now once we go to the second video in this loop, here you can see while inserting the second video, it would be inserted from the whatever is the end time of the first video, similar and so on and so forth, right? Then here we are creating an export path, export URL as well. If file already exists, we remove it. We create an AV asset export session as well. Assign our export URL to output URL. Save the output file type as MP4. Optimize for network use is true. Then we create an export session as well. And if here, this is just for my debugging. If you want, you can use it. And here we just apply our final URL equal to export session.output URL and return our final URL back. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.